Hi everyone! Today I'm going to share with you a simple but powerful tip to revive wilted or rotting orchids. This method helps your plant recover, grow strong roots, and bloom beautifully all year round. Let's get started. Because I hadn't taken proper care of it for a long time, my orchids slowly began to decline. Let's gently take the orchid out of the pot so we can check on its root system. The roots looked shriveled and dry, some even brittle and gray, clearly lacking moisture and nutrients. I'll start by removing all of the old moss medium and replacing it with fresh moss. Repotting like this gives the plant a brand new environment and, more importantly, it gives me a chance to really inspect the roots and treat any issues before they get worse. If left untreated, they can hinder new root growth. So, I'll trim away the damaged roots, helping the plant focus nutrients on stimulating new, healthy roots. Trimming old, worn-out roots not only relieves the plant from supporting weak roots, but also encourages stronger new ones. These new roots will absorb water and nutrients more effectively, aiding quick recovery after repotting. Next, I'll rinse the plant under running water. After trimming the damaged roots, I'll wash the entire plant under running water to remove any remaining dirt. This process thoroughly cleans the roots and base, setting the stage for the plant to adapt to the new medium. Let's use a soft, absorbent cloth to gently pat the plant dry, especially around the roots and base. We'll prepare 3 cloves of garlic. We'll crush the garlic cloves thoroughly to release their beneficial compounds. This helps extract the allicin and other active elements that work as natural antibiotics and antifungal agents. Once crushed, the garlic can be easily infused into water, creating a powerful solution to boost plant immunity, disinfect roots, and protect against common pests and pathogens. Pour 500 milliliters of water. Soak it for 20 minutes. Next, prepare 3 tablespoons of oats. Oats are packed with nutrients like zinc, iron, and B vitamins, which help strengthen root systems and support healthy leaf growth. Pour 500 milliliters of water. When soaked and blended, they release natural enzymes and amino acids that nourish the orchid gently, promoting steady recovery and blooming over time. Soak it for 30 minutes. After about 20 minutes, once the nutrients have fully infused into the water, strain the garlic solution through a fine mesh sieve or cloth to remove any solid bits. This will give us a clean liquid that's safe and easy to use on all orchids without clogging any spray, nozzles, or harming delicate roots. After 30 minutes, we'll combine the oat water with the garlic solution. This mixture brings together the antifungal and antibacterial properties of garlic with the gentle, nutrient-rich benefits of oats, creating a balanced, natural formula to support root health and boost leaf strength for your orchids. We'll use the garlic and oat solution to gently wipe the orchid leaves. This helps nourish the plant with essential minerals from the oats, while the garlic acts as a natural disinfectant, protecting the plant from pests and fungal infections. Regular leaf cleaning like this supports healthy gas exchange, boosts photosynthesis. We'll place the plant into the garlic and oat solution and let it soak. This helps the roots absorb all the beneficial compounds. Garlic provides natural antibacterial and antifungal protection. After 30 minutes, we'll gently take the plant out of the solution and let it drain thoroughly. Now we'll sprinkle a bit of cinnamon powder directly onto the cut or damaged root areas. Cinnamon acts as a natural antifungal and antibacterial agent, helping the wounds dry out faster while preventing rot or infection. This step is really important because orchids are highly sensitive at the root zone, and even a small infection can spread quickly if left untreated. So applying cinnamon gives the plant time to heal naturally, reduces the risk of root rot. After one full day of letting the plant rest and air dry, you'll notice that the roots and any trimmed areas have completely dried out. We're ready to move on to planting it into a fresh, clean growing medium. Let's gently place the plant into its new pot and begin the next phase of recovery and growth. And finally, we're going to add a thin layer of moss on top of the growing medium. This moss layer helps retain just the right amount of surface moisture without making the roots too wet. To help the plant adjust to its new environment, we're going to soak it completely in the solution we've prepared for about 20 minutes. This allows the roots to slowly absorb the nutrients while easing the stress from transplanting. It's kind of like giving the plant a gentle introduction to its new home, soothing and nourishing at the same time. Soak it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we'll take the plant out and let it drain naturally. Once the excess water is gone, we'll gently cover it with a breathable lid, something with small holes to allow moisture to escape while keeping the humidity stable. What we're going to do here is give the orchid a full deep soak using the garlic and oat solution. This step is designed to really let the roots absorb every bit of those nutrients we've prepared. When we soak the plant like this, the roots take in the natural compounds from garlic like allicin, which acts as both an antibacterial and antifungal agent. That helps the root zone stay clean and healthy. Then the oats come in, rich in B vitamins, silica, and trace elements like phosphorus and potassium. These are vital for strong cell structure, steady root growth, and resilience under stress. Now, a quick but important reminder. We should only soak the plant for about 20 minutes. If we leave it sitting in the solution too long, especially with soft organic ingredients like oats, the excess moisture could lead to root rot. After 28 days, the leaves have grown noticeably larger and become firmer to the touch. They're no longer soft or wilted like before. Instead, they've developed a more structured, upright shape, showing clear signs of recovery. The roots after 28 days show impressive improvement. You can see multiple new root tips emerging. These tips are bright green or white, which is a clear sign that the roots are actively growing and absorbing nutrients well. The older parts of the roots have thickened slightly and turned a healthy silvery white, meaning they're retaining moisture efficiently. There's no sign of rot or mushy texture, which tells us the soaking durations and the natural solution have worked perfectly. And that's it for today's orchid care update. Thanks so much for watching and joining me on this journey to healthier, stronger plants. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tip. Drop a comment below to share your own orchid stories or questions. I love hearing from you.